Welcome back. Today we will be taking a closer look on Logitech G309 gaming mouse. Okay, so now the reason why I have this at my hand is that I believe that this is a mouse that I could be using until it mechanically breaks down. And why is that? Well, there are many ways of connecting this to your PC. The 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and then there's the Bluetooth. And then the final reason why I believe that this is the quote eternal gaming mouse is the fact that it is using AA batteries as a power source. So basically when the internal battery of a gaming mouse dies, there's really nothing that you can do. You can't change that to a new one. But on this model, this uses a freaking AA battery for the power. So when the battery dies out, you can swap it to new one. Of course, it is smarter to use chargeable batteries such as this. So when this dies out, there's a USB-C port. I will just charge it from the USB-C port. And then, besides the batteries, there's also the possibility to charge this with Logitech's PowerPlay wireless charging gaming mat and the wireless dongle to transfer the power to the mouse. But keep in mind that currently the system does cost more than the mouse, so you really have to be a fanboy to get invested to this ecosystem. This is using Logitech's own Hero sensor to track the movement. Hero 25K to be more precise. It should be able to track 400 inches per second. So even if you're playing fast-paced MOBA games or shooters, the movement of the mouse should always be constant and you should always be right on point, so to say. This uses Logitech's own light force switches on the mouse, so compared to other gaming mouse, it is mimicking more of a mechanical switch from the keyboard than actual mouse. The travel distance is a bit longer than on a normal mouse, but you get a satisfying click when you hit the button. Downfall of that is that those aren't really silent, so if you're looking for a silent office mouse, maybe you should look somewhere else. Okay, let's get to the unboxing part. So, the package is quite small, let's get to it. The dongle is tiny as hell, easy to lose, but the good thing is that still if you lose this, you can still use the Bluetooth connection for wireless connection. Let's see what is else in the box. Bunch of manuals, guides. So this has the same stickers as the Superlight mouse that I tested earlier. On the Superlight, these lasted for 6 months. Maybe this time these will last more. However, one annoying thing is that I picked a white model and the stickers don't really match it, but yeah, let's see. USB-A to USB-A extension cable for the dongle, one AA battery ready, instruction connections, yeah, nothing fancy. Checking the weight, it's not that much different than the Superlight, but then again this doesn't have the battery in, so let's... Yeah, of course this is more heavier. It sits quite nicely to my big hand. On the bottom there's the selection for the connection, wireless connection, so you can change it from Bluetooth to the wireless dongle, on-off mechanical switch, and then here is the place where you can put the power play module. Like I said earlier, that's an extra thing if you want to invest more to the Logitech ecosystem. But like I said, I don't have it at the moment. There's really nothing more in the box, that's it. Ooh, let's put on the tapes. I really hope that these would have been white, the tapes. This would maybe look nicer. But yeah, okay. If you are into aesthetics, get a black mouse because the tapes won't show. Of course, you don't have to put the tapes onto the mouse, but this creates more grip into the side and to the keys. Personally, I like it, but that's really up to you what you prefer to do. Good. So next up, I will be testing this for a few weeks and I will let you know what I think about it now. So, like I said in the beginning, if you are looking for a silent office mouse, this most likely is not for you. However, I freaking love the switches on this mouse. It's very similar to using mechanical keyboard. If I compare the click feel to the Superlight, which I've been using before, the click is basically the same, but travel distance is a little bit longer and somehow it just feels right in my fingers. I really love this. The mouse didn't have any tracking issue. The hero sensor works very well. Of course, you have to keep in mind that I'm an old gamer. My movements are not that fast, but I haven't heard anyone complaining about Logitech sensors. The weight is just a little bit more than on the Superlight. You can notice it, but it's not heavy in any way. The battery did last about 250 hours, which is quite okay, and I have a rechargeable battery, so I just charge it after that. There really, as far as I know, is nothing similar in a gaming market. I'm talking about mouse that could actually use batteries. So there's nothing I could really compare this to, but this fits to my hand very well. I like the ergonomics. My hand is a little bit bigger than child's. For a wireless gaming mouse that retails under 100 euros, I totally recommend this. Very nice. Thanks again for watching, guys.